about 8 o'clock. Just finished a 12-hour day. Gardening, working. So I'll show you to garden again. I would have done it, but what could I do? What does a 77-year-old man do late at night? Only one thing he could do is box. Thing is, I got 2 boxing areas. This is what you do. Little bob, little weave. Listen to the music. And you got 2 places to box. You got 1. Then over here. This is what you do. Where's 77? It's a man. Gardening can, boxing can. You move around, then take a break, you go to the next area. That's too slow. Then you go boom, boom, boom. And that's how you get tired really fast.